In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log an Uber Eats account. First, open the Uber Eats app on your phone. On the home screen, look for the sign in button and tap it. This takes you to the login page where you'll choose how you want to get in. You can sign in with your email address, your mobile number, or a linked Google or Apple account. If you're using email, enter the same email you used when you created your account and double check for typos. If you prefer your phone number, make sure the correct country code is selected and type the number exactly as it's saved in your profile. If your account is linked to Google or Apple, choose that option and select the same Google or Apple ID you originally connected. That way, Uber Eats can recognize you automatically. Next, enter your password or complete verification. Depending on your setup and location, Uber Eats may ask for a password, send a one-time code by SMS, email you a confirmation link, or pop up a login approval on a trusted device. This extra step protects your account, so have your phone and inbox nearby. If you get a code, enter it promptly before it expires. If you don't see an email, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder. And as a quick safety reminder, never share your verification codes or passwords with anyone. Once you're authenticated, you'll land in your account. From here, you can start browsing restaurants and order food, track deliveries in real time, and manage your payment methods in settings. You can also review past orders to quickly reorder your favorites and apply promo codes at checkout to save on your next meal. Everything is synced to your profile so your preferences and addresses stay handy for faster checkout. If the sign-in button doesn't appear at first, give the app a second to load or confirm you have a stable internet connection. Using the latest version of the app ensures the smoothest experience, and if you switch between email and phone sign-ins, stick to the method that matches how the account was originally set up to avoid confusion. That's it. You're signed in and ready to go. Enjoy exploring nearby options and getting your favorites delivered. Happy ordering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.